Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hi there.
Or good morning, I guess.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Where are you going? Where are you going to? Where are you heading for?
Why did you pull me over?
Because I had to paste at 65. It's 55 here.
There's no way I was 65, but I've got it on here and I can verify it, so that's fine. If I need a ticket for it, I'll bring this in because it'll show that I wasn't.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's got GPS.
That's your right.
But I absolutely know I wasn't going 65. So
okay. I had you paste, sir. So
well, you didn't.
That's fine. You can tell. You know. You can.
Well, I won't. I'll bring the video, and the video will show exactly how fast I was going.
Just
so
give me your driver's license and proof of insurance.
If you want to write me up for that high, that's pretty ridiculous because it's not even.
I never said I was going to write you up, but I definitely got to pull you over because you definitely were speeding. Okay.
All right. Well, I don't feel like I was. I mean, I'm not trying to be totally argumentative, but I knew that was definitely not the right speed. So that's for sure.
Well, you weren't doing 55. Let me put it that way. Okay?
Yeah, I believe I was.
Okay. Well, you can tell that to somebody else.
Because
give me your
I'll bring the video if I have to. But if I don't get a ticket, then cool. But I mean, if I'm meticulous about how I drive and the speed that I go. So.
That's good. I wish more people were like that. Thank you.
So, I know I wasn't speeding, but here's this if you want to check everything. Oh, you need registration as well? You need registration as well?
I just need your license. That's
okay.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Total, complete bullshit. He paced me. That's bull. He paced me. No, I was further down the road than he was, and he had to speed up to catch up to me because, well, you've got to, if you're going to go exactly how fast I'm going, you're not going to catch up to me. You have to speed in order to catch up to somebody, even if they're going the speed limit. Hey, I got pulled over and I wasn't even speeding.
Well.
And thankfully I've got my dash cam and it records everything and shows the GPS and the miles per, or the miles per hour. So I'll get out of the ticket.
Yeah.
But I mean, he shouldn't even give it to me. It's only going to be an embarrassment. I'm on Briley, I'm right near the water park, wherever the water slide is, the water slides. Yeah. I'm sitting here with the cop behind me though. But I mean, that's just freaking ridiculous.
Yeah. Well, love you.
Love you too. Love you too.
Bye.
Bye. He says he paced me. If you're trying to give me a ticket for that high, I'm going to prove you wrong. Yeah, watching the video, whoever's watching the video, I am talking to myself, but I'm talking for the benefit of the video. For my thoughts at the moment. I don't like being pulled over for no reason. Or for a made-up reason.
All right, sir. Everything
thank you
looks good to me. So I got no problem with it. Just slow down a little bit, okay?
All right.
Just between you and me.
I will tell you this.
I appreciate you don't do 75 like some dudes. Okay?
No, I wasn't doing that.
I know you didn't.
I wasn't.
I would write your ticket.
I wasn't even going 60. I appreciate you. I do appreciate you. That's why I have this, so I can always be sure.
You might want to recalibrate that because mine doesn't lie. I promise you.
Well, you said you didn't say you radared me. You said
no.
You
I pace you.
So that's not pointing at equipment. Pacing
but just
isn't equipment,
a little future reference. If I would write you a ticket for
Understood.
that and I pace you,
yeah,
and a police officer tells in court to the judge, you know what, I paced them and say, we don't lie, sir. You know, I mean, I believe you.
Well, you can't pace me from that far back. That's the whole thing. You can't.
Well, I was way back by Lebanon Pike when I started pacing you. Okay.
Well, you don't pace.
And this is almost 2 rivers, so that's quite the stretch, to be honest with you. You were not over 10 miles an hour over, okay? That's the reason I don't write your ticket, because I don't want to mess with you. Everything checks out, your license is good.
All right.
You ain't got no big record or nothing, so you're all good. Just
well, thank you. I appreciate you guys keeping the streets safe.
We will.
And you know.
We will. I mean, you know how it is on Broward Parkway, sir. If you drive here a lot,
oh yeah,
you see dudes doing 90 on here.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that's what we try to enforce.
Well, here's the deal. I have the YouTube channel, and I got video after video after video of me going the speed limit and everybody whipping by, and it's like I don't feel safe. Yeah. But I don't speed up to go with them. I still keep going.
And
my
that's
speed.
Good. And we need more drivers like you then.
You know,
that's
and especially on 65 when they made 65 down to 45 between Dickerson Pike and Trinity Lane. Nobody was doing that. Everybody was trying to do 65 and 70, and I'm over on the right going 45 because it was construction zone. Feeling like I'm going to get destroyed.
And you should have more drivers like you, sir. Yeah. And that's honest. I mean, that's straight from the heart. That's honest.
Well, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. I'd rather get you out there catching somebody doing something wrong.
Oh, we will.
Yeah, I don't want to take. I don't want to keep you too long.
We've been at it all night. You wouldn't believe how busy we are.
Yeah.
And I was just passing by, and I go up to Opry and 2 Rivers and patrol that area, and you just have to be my way.
I'm actually grabbing my kids right now. So.
Oh, okay.
It's a weird thing to grab in the middle. I just got off work, so it's weird to grab them in the middle of the night. But it's I live further north, and I want to take them to church, and it's hard to drive all the way back to their mom's house and pick them up before church. So
I got you. I'm
going to get them. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what? I wish you a good church visit.
Thank you.
Me myself can't make it because I'd probably be asleep. But
yeah, I should. But I'm going to get like 3 hours, and then I'll go to church, and then I'll sleep after.
Okay. Well, good. All right. Well, you have a good day. Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
I'll try not to peel out when I go. I was not speeding, and I am going to record this video. Yeah, he let me go. I guess he wanted, once he had my license, he wanted to check and make sure I didn't have warrants, or that I didn't have any warrants on me or something.
Well,
But he let me go because when I showed him my camera, he did not want any part of my camera coming into court.